Kids love food.
Love food. Hi guys, today we're making sushi, the mushi. Buy one, take one. So we're making sushi. We've got our prawns here, our cucumber, and we do have the rice. This stove has to hold down, as usual. Yes. So we've got this, our nori here, and we've got the bamboo so we can fold it. And we've got the prawns here. That is not that cheap, but yes. And then we got the sushi rice. But we took the sushi rice already and we cooked it. But we still need to get something. And what is that? I think it's the salmon. But where's the salmon? Oh, there it is. There's the salmon. So we have the salmon here as well. The salmon. So we can also put on the sushi. Or I should say the maki. And so we got the sushi, the mushi. I want you to buy one, take one. So we have to put it right here, right there, but it's not ready yet. So here's the nori. As you see, there's 4 pieces in it already. So there's still sushi, there's still nori inside here. We used 1, so now there's only 4. So this is the sushi packet. That is from Utakata. So it's the sushi nori. So you use this for making the sushi to cover it, or else it's just going to be some rice. So right now, guys, we are making the rice and putting it on the nori. So as you see, you have to flatten it down.
So it's not all lumped in one.
Yes. And by the way, it's very sticky. So if you have any hands, just eat. Yeah, very tasty. And maybe a little bit sour. But don't put too much vinegar. So put the prawns there. Prawns. Then so right now we're making the prawn maki.
Are these drumsticks?
Mm.
No, these are sugar cane. Wow. That is so sweet. Wow, Japanese eggplant. Wow.
So guys, this is the end product of our sushi that we made, homemade. This is our festival sushi, our soy sauce. So let's try this out. It's very tasty. Because we made it ourselves. And this is the first time cooking this, so I say that this is very good. So sushi, the mushi.
Oh gosh.
Just buy one and take one. So we love food.
Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to Kids Love Food and share and like and comment down below. Kids love food.
Oh, what's that? It looks like a croissant.
Anyway, Kids Love Food.